This is the Mi Beard Trimmer, another Mi branded Xiaomi product. Xiaomi is an amazing company, isn't it? They make different kinds of products, from smartphones to TVs, from fitness bands to security cameras, a backpack, shoe, and now beard trimmer. Though it is out there for quite a few months now, I got it a few months ago, and till then I used a Philips beard trimmer for the last 6 or 7 years, and I will tell you how the Mi beard trimmer performed compared to the Philips beard trimmer I had. I will also trim my beard and show you a trimming test and a water resistance test as well. So keep watching till the end. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. If you are not yet subscribed, hit the red subscribe button down there, hit the bell for future notifications. Now let's begin. Hello everybody, this is Arijit. Let's take it easy. So as you can see, this is the box packaging, usual Xiaomi style. So let's open up the box. This is the trimmer itself at first. Let's keep it aside for the time being. And there is a comb, and there are total 2 combs. One of them is already installed on the trimmer, which I will show you later. So this is the second one. Then there is a nice quality soft finish carrying pouch inside the package as well, which is of course a good thing. This small brush is also included. You can use it to clean up the blades and inside the trimmer. And last but not the least, this is the charging cable, USB to a sort of 2-pin connector, and the cable is long enough. Now let's take a look at the trimmer itself. I like the looks and the styling of the device. It feels solid in hand. The body has a matte texture which will provide you a good grip. Overall, I would say it looks and feels premium. The blade is made of stainless steel, which is a good thing, and Xiaomi also claims that it has advanced self-sharpening feature. Removing the blade and installing is not very difficult. It's quite easy. You just have to push the blade up from the back side, from the side that actually cuts the beard. You just have to give it a little push and it will come out. And do the opposite to install the blade. Insert the back side of the blade, aligning the notch, then push the blade inside, and that's it. It will make a clicking sound and it's installed. It comes with 2 different combs. These combs are made of plastic, by the way, which is normal. They are easy to clean. So a smaller comb and a taller comb. The smaller comb goes from 0.5 mm to 10 mm. And the taller comb goes from 10.5 mm to 20 mm. So you get a range from almost 0 to 20 millimeters, which is good. Each comb has 20 length settings via this knob or dial, increasing or decreasing by 0.5 mm on each step if you adjust the knob clockwise or anti-clockwise respectively. So combining the 2 combs, you have total 40 length settings. If you want to remove or install a comb, you have to move the knob to its highest mark, take it all the way up to 10, and then you can remove or install a comb like this. Just apply a little force to pull out or push in the comb to remove or install. You can use any USB smartphone charger to charge it up. On the other hand, most Philips trimmers, especially in this price segment and also the one I used before this one, come with proprietary power adapters or chargers, which is surely not something great. It takes nearly 2 hours for a full charge, and it can deliver up to 90 minutes of runtime on a full charge, which is really great, and it is one of the key advantages of this trimmer. Similarly priced Philips trimmers have even lesser battery life, in most cases half or even less. A kind of quick charge is also there. If you charge it for 5 minutes, it will give you runtime of about 10 minutes. If that is not enough, and if you are in a hurry, you can use it in corded mode. That means you can keep using it while it is being charged. So if it has no juice left, you can just plug it in and start using. In the last few months, I have used it a lot to trim my beard. Now I will show you a demo. So I am using the smaller comb here, and I have set the dial to 4.5. So here it goes. And by the way, I always like to use a product for a few weeks before publishing a review, because I don't like to publish a review right after opening the box. Sometimes we have to review a product very quickly, maybe within a few days of getting the product, but I always like to use a product at least for a week before publishing a review. So as you can see, this is the difference. Trimmed beard on the left side of your screen, and the other side has not been trimmed yet, of course. Now I will set it to 3 and let's continue trimming. So now this is the difference, as you can see, and the difference is now even more clear. And now finally I will try it without any combs. I would like to see how it does in terms of shaving, clean shaving. I know that trimmers are not shavers. You can't expect a clean shave from a trimmer, but I would like to see how close it can get. So this is how it is. This is the closest it can get in terms of shaving. Of course, it is not a fully clean shave, but for a trimmer, it is a good shaving job. I would say that, because trimmers are not used for shaving. If you want to clean the comb, it's quite easy. You just need to remove it and clean it. Simple. Cleaning the blade is also not difficult. Just remove the blade, and you can use the included small brush to clean the blade. Use simple tap water, it's stainless steel, no problems. And most importantly, you can clean the trimmer itself under running water because it is IPX7 water resistant. It has fully washable body, which is really great to have, especially in this price point. And most Philips trimmers in this price segment, in fact I think no Philips trimmers have water resistance at this price. Currently the price is 1299 rupees, which is almost $17 as of now. When I got it, it was 1199, so the price has increased 100 rupees, but at this price 1299, it is really a great deal. One additional feature it has is travel lock. So if you are traveling, you are putting it inside your backpack or luggage, the power button might get pressed accidentally and it might get turned on inside your luggage or backpack. So if you press the power button for 3 seconds, the travel lock will be enabled. And if you press the power button again, it will not turn on until you press the power button again for 3 seconds. Then it will come out of travel lock and it will start working again normally. A few things which I didn't like, or I would say which could have been better in this trimmer. First of all, I would say the speed could have been a little higher. Don't get me wrong, it is not slow. It will slice through, it will cut through your beard, no issues. But the speed could have been a little better. One more thing I would like to mention, if you are using the trimmer for longer durations, for more than 20 or 25 minutes straight without the comb, you might feel that the blade is getting a little hot. It's not very hot or not very uncomfortable, but it will get a little warm. Then again, it is water resistant. You can just hold it under running water and that will instantly cool it down. Talking about the warranty, it comes with 1 year of warranty, and most Philips trimmers I think come with 2 years of warranty. So in terms of warranty, Philips trimmers are better of course, but in all the other departments, the Mi beard trimmer is just better. So if you are looking for a beard trimmer under 2000 rupees, this is highly recommended from me. I mean me myself, not the brand Me. So guys, like, dislike, whatever you feel about this video, and if you are not yet subscribed and you think I have earned your subscription, please go ahead and subscribe. It's free. If you have any queries or suggestions, please drop a comment, and if you think we are doing a great job, share this video with others. So that's it for this video. Have a great time and I will see you in the next video.